Welcome to Volume 6 of the Frontier GoWild Pro Tip Series, Blackouts, How to Win with Discount Den. Before we jump in, you'll see clips rolling in the background, all from one of my real Frontier GoWild layovers in Denver. Yep, these are the exact clips and photos from my layover last week. Grab your favorite beverage and let's talk about why bundling GoWild with Discount Den is basically a survival skill to get the most. Now, if you've ever used the GoWild Pass, you know the deal. Pay a flat annual fee, fly unlimited times for a penny plus taxes, and suddenly you're out here living like a low-budget rock star. You take a few flights and start feeling unstoppable. Like, don't talk to me now, I travel. But then the blackout dates hit. And Frontier, oh, they didn't just choose mild dates. They choose the spicy ones. Hot picante. For 2025, the big holiday blackouts are December 20th through the 23rd and December 26th through the 31st. Basically, Christmas travel blocked. New Year's travel blocked. The entire everyone's gonna fly period. Yeah, that's blocked too. So when I first got my GoWild Pass, I was pumped. I mean, I felt I unlocked every cheat code to the airline world. Sitting there planning out my first big holiday travel run, I'm thinking about I'm gonna pull off the easiest, smoothest Christmas trip of my life. I got all these dates lined up, got all the family expecting me, I'm checking flights like a kid, scrolling through the toy catalog. I go to book my first holiday flight. Denied. Bright red text. GoWild looked me dead in the eyes and said, "Not today, buddy. It's Christmas." Thankfully, this is where Discount Den swoops in like a seagull for your lunch. Discount Den gives you Frontier's lowest fares on blackout dates, and on this trip, it literally saved me. One holiday priced flight using Discount Den paid for the entire membership on the spot. It was the travel equivalent of finding cash in a jacket you forgot that you even owned. Let's take a quick pause from the GoWild program for a minute. Why this channel exists and why you should subscribe. According to YouTube, 91% of you watching this aren't subscribed. It costs nothing and would mean the world for our channel. Your support is treasure. If you're new here, let me tell you what this channel is actually about. This isn't just a travel channel. This is a POV behind the scenes bio of the band, the Munro Street Players. We built this space as a gallery for our live performances, a day-to-day look at band life, a travel diary, because honestly, we travel a lot. And wherever we go, music goes with us. We show the rehearsals, the road moments, the shows, the places we find ourselves in between gigs, and sometimes, yeah, that includes surviving layovers like this one. So if you're into musicians being real, behind the scenes band life, travel stories, and the vibe of artists who don't sit still for long, hit that subscribe button and join us here. It helps the channel grow and you won't miss upcoming shows, trips, or stories. Also, if you want to learn more about us or catch our latest performances, check out MunroStreet.com. That's our home base. You'll find our music, our dates, and more of our story behind the Munro Street Players. Alright, back to the adventure. Between GoWild and Discount Den, the combo makes travel actually workable. GoWild handles your spontaneous flights all year long. Discount Den covers the holidays and blackout chaos. Together, they give you real freedom, the kind that lets us travel for shows, explore new cities, and capture moments like the ones you're seeing now. So trust me, bundle the two, save the money, avoid the holiday heartbreak, and stick around. We've got a lot more music, travel, and day-to-day band life coming your way. Thanks for tuning in.